if you already have a Steam account, you probably already know about Gmod. But if you don't, Gmod is a program that lets you grab different elements from different games uploaded by random people and play with them at once. Now around $10 you will not put this game down. But a big problem I was having was when I wanted to play with friends I knew, set up a private match, maybe I was the host or they were the host, I couldn't find their server. But today, I'm going to teach you how to successfully set one up. So first what you basically want to do is you want to get a Steam account by downloading the Steam program. Then from there on you go to the store and find Gmod. Now do remember, every once in a while Steam does have season sales. So I got my Gmod for $2.47 instead of having to get it for $10. So whenever just be aware of that. And then second, you want to get the program called Logmein Hamachi. Now I will leave the links for all these things in the description below, and you want to get it from any download website. I get mine from cnet.com. And then what you basically want to do is get in, and then you want to download it. You want to do whatever, install it with the toolbars, whatever. But after you're done getting it all, then you will get the installer wizard. You should be able to get through that, and then finally just open up your program. So once you have the program up and running, what you want to do is hit the power on button. And it's going to take a while. It's going to say things like synchronizing, probably no big deal. Now if it's your first time, what you want to do is it's going to ask you to make an account name. Now you're going to call it whatever you want. It doesn't have to be anything particular. You're not putting any information in. Don't worry about it. Then it's going to give you the option to create existing network. Then you want to go on there and you want to hit OK, just click on it. It's going to ask you for a network ID and password. What this basically is a server. You just made a server with your home signal where your friends can find it and join. Now what's safe about this is that it's private. Only people with the network ID and the password could join on times that you were on, so it's all good. Now I'm going to call my new network ID Buddhist Epiphany 2, and I'm going to put in a password. I'm going to be deleting this after this, so don't try getting on. And then it will hit OK, and now what you want to do is you want to message your friends via text message Steam with the username and password so they could join. So now that you got someone on your server, all you want them to do is either, if you're the host, have the people that are on your server go to your name, not the name of the network ID, but to your name, and then right click it and hit copy IPv4 address. In this case, I'm the host, so I don't need to really do anything except then go on Gmod and then host the match. But for them, all they need to do is just go to your name and then copy IPv4 address. Make sure it's the IPv4 or it will not work. Now if you're not the host, after you copied the v4 address, all you basically want to do is you want to open up console and hit connect. Type in connect. Then you want to paste the IP address that you got from it, and then you just want to hit submit. Now depending on whatever add-ons they have or the speed of your computer connection, it might take a while or it might take a few seconds, but for me I was able to connect pretty quickly. Now if you don't have any add-ons on, then your add-ons with your friend will show up as errors like they did here, but other than that it should work. Now if you're the host of the server, all you want to do is hit start new game, and you want to pick whichever map you want. We'll go with Construct. And then you want to figure out how many players are going to be allowed in your match. We'll go with 2, doesn't really matter. And then server name, it's just for show. I mean, it really does not matter. If you have the IP address, you just go on. Now make sure local server is not clicked. If it's clicked and it's telling your server that it needs an Ethernet connection, it's a whole different story. And then finally, you want to make sure that everything is marked off, mess around with the options, whatever you want. And then you want to hit start game, wait until the game loads. You gotta make sure that the game is all ready, set up, and then finally tell your friends, give your friends a go to join your game by connecting with the IP address, and you should be good. So anyway, I hope this video helped you guys out. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.